All right, we're out here early in the morning checking on our projects. We're back out at the apartment complex. Lots of things going on out here, lots of big moves. Today we're meeting the trim guy. We've got windows going in, we've got sheetrock. We're gonna check on it all. Let's go take a look. So in here, speed base, 5 1/4, crown, 3 5/8. I've got this little door, custom door. Lee Barnes is building them. You might have to trim down, just depends on how it looks. Then I got a double coming for here, double door, split jam, hollow core stuff. I've got another little insert door for here. One bathroom door and one bedroom door. Base everywhere, but just crown in this room and in this room.
And what about your windows?
Windows are gonna be brand new. I'm gonna have, yes, I got stool and casing for both windows.
Okay.
So 2 windows and like 3 doors. Pretty small, it's like 450 square feet. But I'll have all 8 of them ready for you at a time. So you can do one building and then move to the next building. Yep. What about and every unit is the same. We'll go take a look. Some are just flip-flopped, see?
Yeah, I kind of take a look at them, but I didn't know what you're gonna get put there.
What you think? How much?
I don't know how much. Try to. What, 700 is fine with you?
It's a little high for me per unit, yeah. I was thinking more like, 300, 400, and I give you the whole building, so like 2,500 per building.
What about 500?
8. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, let's do that. And I'll have it ready for you Friday.
All right.
Possibly Friday.
This Friday? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, today's Wednesday. If not, it'll be ready like Monday, Tuesday. Because I want to get started. I don't want to wait till next Friday. So as soon as I know when Lee is going to deliver it, I'll have Zach call you.
All right.
Good?
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you. Yeah, they're looking really good. I like this is the level I like to take them to, right? New construction in a 30-year-old building. Everything's new, the wiring, the plumbing, the washer boxes, all the connections. Look, this is what makes me happy right here, seeing the fresh new PEX coming out of the wall, ready to set cabinets, ready to caulk it in and paint it, and this thing will be awesome. Brand new. This is what I like. Let's go next door. Let's keep looking at them. Yeah, that's what we like. Smells like new construction. All right, let's check. Can you see in this dark bathroom? Look, bathroom looks a little tight, but it's not. Huge 60-inch vanity. We're gonna have a deep tub, tile surround, LVP on the floors, everything brand new. Fart fans, everything. Looking good, it's looking great. Yeah, so this was complete burnout unit. We're gonna have to rewire the entire thing, replumb it. We got all new line sets for the HVAC coming through. This place is looking good. Hey, this is what I'm talking about with new washer boxes. You guys have heard me talk about in the past, cut out the old washer boxes and put new washer boxes in. This is not a new construction project. This is a 30-plus-year-old project. But look, we always go back with these new washer boxes. They just add so much newness, right? And nice look and aesthetics, and it's so inexpensive to do, guys. Make sure you put new washer boxes in all your renovations, your flips and your rental properties. This is an old laundromat, right? The apartment complex had a laundromat. You can see where all the machines were stacked up over here. We've completely gutted it to the studs. We're gonna rewire it, put new HVAC up in the ceiling, drop down here. What we're gonna do here is make kind of like a game room or a multi-purpose room or a break area. And we're gonna completely take all this framing out. We're gonna add a half bath in here with a toilet and a sink. We're gonna put outlets all across the walls so we can hang TVs up in here, poker tables, things like that, game tables, maybe even a golf simulator in one of these little rooms so our future tenants and people that are staying here can enjoy this space. Yeah, old laundromat. Look, this was the old pit. So these were the drains that actually just fell into that hole, and that was the main hole that went down in there. So they weren't all plumbed to go down in there. You can see these were all washing machines, 4 washing machines. And then they had 3 or 4 dryers right here hooked up.
Gas dryers.
That's how all mine are at the laundromat. That's how most industrial places, they're all gas. I mean, I love a laundromat. Nobody knows how much I love laundromats except me and my wife. But nobody loves laundromats more than me, but we had to tear this one out. It's just not gonna do it. We're gonna put laundry in every single one of the units. That's gonna add a ton of value. Look, that's some free chicken here. Going in and adding laundry hookups inside of these value add apartment complexes changes the game, all right? Here's my philosophy. I don't care how nice you make the apartment complex, what it's located to. If your resident has to take their laundry and put it in the car and go somewhere else and do it, you're never gonna get into the B plus category. Your asset is always gonna be a C category asset. So think about when you're budgeting for these renovations, how can I go in and put laundry, whether it's a small stacker or something, inside of these units? It will completely change the value, add a ton of value for you on refinancing, on selling, and then also the caliber of resident that you're gonna put in the unit. Let's take a look at this one. So this is the unit that comes just off of the side of the office. And I think this used to be the end of the building. Someone added the office on years and years later. If you come through and you can see like, hey, we could make this one a 2-bedroom right here. Just add a door and it goes right into the other unit. Yep. Have a massive master suite. Look, in this unit, it's a great opportunity to see all of the new supply, all of the new waste, all of your new electrical, things like that. I mean, we are really coming through and changing this out, tearing out all the old copper, galvanized, old PVC that was broken and putting in all PEX, new waste, everything. Looking great. Check out, this was like a header. It must have been a double door in here at some point. This was a doorway into the office, and you can tell that this was an afterthought because this obviously used to be siding on the end of here, and they even cut holes to add the electrical later in life. We already have an end user lined up for this project. In fact, they're waiting on us to finish it so that they can move in and occupy this space. They're doing military housing. We're very close to military installations, so they're gonna occupy this entire property and use it to house soldiers, and this will be their office to run their business out of. Great opportunity for them. Little half bath right here. This is gonna just be a closet. We're gonna put a door, HVAC right there, and another little storage closet for them right here. Gonna just sheetrock this, new flooring, new door, make it look nice, new windows, and it's gonna be their blank canvas to do whatever they want with. Probably add some can lights in here, make it snazzy. All right, that's it for the apartment complex today. Guys, make sure you go check on your projects, right? Remember, like I said, flipping houses made me a millionaire. Buying rentals in the BRRRR strategy made me a multi-millionaire. But apartment complexes, they're either gonna bankrupt you or put you to that 8, 9 figures. See you on the next one, guys.